banana actually no need much preparation, right?
Hello dear, are you coming home for dinner tonight? It's Chinese New Year's Eve.
I don't think so, dear.
I cook your favorite foods though.
I have work to finish today leh, so I don't think I can join you lah.
Okay, don't work too hard, okay? Remember to take care of your body.
Okay. Bye.
Guess I have to spend Chinese New Year's Eve alone tonight.
Okay, so anything else for our discussion?
No, I think we are done already.
Okay, let's go celebrate Chinese New Year Eve. Okay. Hey, why you still don't want to go home? CNY Eve eh?
Oh, because I'm still looking for an interior design firm to help me with my home renovation. So I'm staying in the office to do some research.
Looking for interior design firm? CNY Eve still looking for interior design firm? You must be joking leh.
Bo bian eh.
Why not you use Renopedia.sg? Once you sign up from Renopedia.sg, right, you can get 5 to 8 interior design firm to quote you. Then still never mind, like, if you engage an interior designer, right, you have chance to win out to $50,000.
Wow, like not bad ah.
Yeah, you know, not just this, right? If you visit Renopedia, right, you also can get inspiration, tips, ideas, blog videos for you to see. And some more, right, on Renopedia, there's around 50 plus product merchants for your home.
Wow.
Yeah. So what are you waiting for? It's CNY Eve, bro.
Wow. Okay lah. Then like that means I can go already.
Yeah, can go. Yeah. I also go.
Then you want to go? Want to join me in my dinner? I'm having steamboat.
Let me see. I was thinking maybe I go back, I give my wife a surprise lah. You know CNY Eve cannot be I joining you, right? I have to be with my wife, what?
Yeah.
Okay lah. You enjoy lah. Next time I join you lah.
Okay.
I go first.
Boss. Thank you ah.
Okay. Hey dear. I'm back already. So where's my favorite food?
Yeah. This one. You like bananas and then tom yum seafood, right? You like tom yum seafood flavor, you know?
Baby, yeah. I like tom yum seafood. Give me tom yum seafood instant noodle.
Yeah, why you don't like?
I like. Then banana. Actually, no need much preparation, right?
I mean I have to take it out of the fridge.
Yeah. I see.
But I have to like cook the cup noodles
Oh, okay.
in the microwave.
I should have celebrated Chinese New Year Eve at home instead.
Huh?
No lah. I was saying right. Chinese New Year Eve is never about the food. It's about the two of us. Don't say instant noodle. Without any food, right? It's still the best Chinese New Year Eve for
You're
the
the
both
best.
of us.
Happy Chinese New Year! Sign up to renovate your dream home with Renopedia and stand a chance to win up to $50,000. Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.